Understanding Loan Repayment, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore an important financial term, loan repayment. Whether you're studying, working, or just curious about financial concepts in English, understanding this term is essential. Let's dive in and make sense of it together. Before we talk about loan repayment, let's understand what a loan is. A loan is money that you borrow from a bank, financial institution, or another person. This money is usually used for specific purposes like buying a house, education, or starting a business. The key thing to remember is that it's not your money, and you need to pay it back. Now, let's talk about repayment. Repayment is the act of paying back the money you borrowed. It's not just returning the exact amount you borrowed. It also includes interest. Interest is the extra money you pay for the privilege of using the borrowed money. Understanding how loan repayment works is crucial. Typically, you pay back a loan in regular installments. These could be monthly, quarterly, or as agreed upon with the lender. Each installment includes a part of the principal amount, the original amount borrowed, and the interest. It's important to stick to the repayment schedule to avoid additional charges or a negative impact on your credit score. Different types of loans have different repayment terms. For example, a mortgage, a loan to buy a house, usually has a longer repayment period compared to a personal loan. Student loans might have a grace period, allowing you to start repayment after finishing your studies. Failing to repay a loan can have serious consequences. This could include legal action, a lower credit score, and difficulty in obtaining loans in the future. It's essential to plan your finances carefully and ensure you can meet the repayment terms. Understanding loan repayment is a key part of financial literacy. Always read the terms and conditions carefully before taking a loan and plan your finances to ensure timely repayment. We hope this video has been helpful in understanding this important concept. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next lesson.